Security testing. Security testing, the software sometimes have very sensitive information. So computer-based system which have sensitive information or which is managing very, very confidential information, it may be targeted by various agencies, people, individuals for improper or illegal penetration. So these information we need to safeguard. For that we have to do a test called security testing. No doubt the software has all the security mechanism installed or coded or designed, but we need to verify it. There can be multiple kinds of penetration. There are certain security threat issues. For example, a naive hacker, he may attempt to penetrate your software or a system just for sport, just for fun. The penetration can be as easy as this. There are disgruntled employees. They want to take revenge at any cost. They are technically equipped. They are intelligent people. So they may, get this sensitive information. There are people, good people, bad people. So they are a dishonest individual. They want to gain money. They would do it for illicit personal gain. This happens in big companies. So this security testing, it is an attempt, or we want to attempt to verify that the protection mechanism, the security mechanism, which is built into a software or a system, will actually protect any kind of improper penetration into this software or a system. If you are doing a good security testing, it has to penetrate a system. It will ultimately penetrate a system, though the time and cost is always an issue. But a good security testing will penetrate a system. So as a system designer, what is your role? What is our role? See, I'll give you an example. We lock our house. We put multiple locks. Not because the thief or a burglar cannot open it. Every thief, because he's a thief, he knows how to get into your house. But we put multiple locks so that we want to increase the effort of him entering. Because we want to, press him so hard. Similarly, role of system designer is to make penetration cost more than the value of the information obtained. What he want to get, the cost of getting these information should be higher. So this is how we need to put multiple layers and do all the security mechanism.